Today, let's do a thought experiment, and we will start by asking a question. What would happen if the Moon disappeared? Of course, a question like this would be a lot to unpack, so we need to simplify the answers. Number 1, if the Moon were to disappear, we would experience shorter days and shorter nights. Why? Because the speed of the Earth's rotation is affected by the Moon's gravity, by which we currently have a 24-hour day. If there was no Moon, our days and nights would be reduced to only a 6-hour period each. Number 2, our seasons would be affected. Again, because of the Moon's gravity, the Earth currently maintains a 24-degree tilt on its axis, but if there were no Moon at all, our planet would begin to wobble like a top, and everyone would experience highly irregular weather patterns. Number 3. Without the Moon, there would be no more eclipses, whether they be solar or lunar. These celestial events provide amazing images, but without the Moon in the equation, eclipses would become a thing of the past. Number 4. The tides would be affected. At best, our tides would be rather small, since a good percentage of the high tides are due to the gravitational pull of the Moon, along with the Sun contributing a smaller portion. Number 5. Space exploration. Within the last half-century, the Moon has become a stepping stone to the rest of the universe, and is also an important element in space exploration. Ever since the first human being set foot on the Moon's surface, the door was open for mankind's attempt to visit, or even colonize, other worlds within our solar system. If the Moon did not exist, space exploration would be hindered, or even non-existent. Number 6. Colonization. Since we touched on this in the last point, let's explore this a little more. Mankind has been pondering the possibility of taking up residence on other worlds, namely the Moon, and the planet Mars, one of our closest planetary neighbors. Of course, there is much debate over the implementation of this endeavor, but this is not the focus of this talking point. Regardless of the issue surrounding it, if it were not for the Moon's existence, entertaining the notion of colonization would probably not exist. And finally, number 7. If we had no Moon, not only would it be extremely dark for places where there are no streetlights, but the night sky itself would be much brighter, due to the magnitudes of all the stars that are visible to the naked eye. On a clear night, the Moon's presence dominates the night sky, resulting in many stars getting drowned out in the process. However, if the Moon did not exist, every clear night would give us a spectacular display. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification button so you won't miss future episodes. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies.